DMOX using 1 to 4. If S0 is 0 and S1 is 0, output Y0 is on, Y1 is off, Y2 is off, and Y3 is off. If S0 is 0 and S1 is on, output Y0 is 0, output Y1 is 1, output Y2 is 0, and output Y3 is 0. If input 0 is on, and output 1 is off, output Y0 is 0, Y1 is 0, Y2 is 1, and Y3 is 0. Then if all inputs are on, output Y0 is off, Y1 is off, Y2 is off, and Y3 is on.